Rob Doan here for Flange Wizard. Today I'd like to show you our new Chariot. Our conventional beveling guide is much like our last model. The biggest thing about our new one is you can bevel now. You can bevel, it'll lock in on 22.5, 37.5, and 45 degrees. As you can see here, I've got it where I'm actually doing circles with it, and in a minute here I'll show you where we can run it along a straight edge. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the pivot pin that I was doing circles with, and I'm going to pull out the third wheel here and replace it where the pivot pin was and show you how to cut along a straight edge. So now with the third wheel, as you can see in there, you can put down your own straight edge, and check this out, guys and gals. You can run it along your straight edge. You got that third wheel to hold your angle or your degree, whether you're on 37, 45, or 22.5, and run it along a straight edge. I do want to mention a couple of our other tools that are in conjunction with our Chariots that are bought quite a bit of the time. This is our on and off magnetic blocks with a stainless steel rail, or MSG 230. And a lot of times when they purchase the Chariot, they'll go ahead and purchase our magnetic on-off blocks, and there you go, you can straddle it and run along. That is the MSG 230. With the setup you have here, you can do up to 36-inch circles, give or take a little, depending on which way you're beveling. Now, if you want, you can purchase extensions of this hex rod and get out there 4-5 foot circles. And when you get up to that big of a circle, I recommend our magnetic base here, the straight pin. You drop this S pin out of here. This way, when you're way out there and you can't reach the S pin, you don't have to worry about holding that S pin. You got your magnetic base, and it makes it a lot simpler just to do those bigger circles out here.